And thanks to the 400 or so cricketers, and more importantly, their parents, who brought all of these kids to Minnesota. All right. We started NYCL. It started off in a phone call, just myself, Priya, I think Ranjit was on that call, and Gopal was in it, and Rajesh probably. There were 4 or 5 of us on a phone call. And what started with a phone call has now mushroomed into 40 teams participating from 14 academies in 5 age categories under 10, 12, 14, 16, and 18. Wow. How about a loud applause for that? All of this was achieved in 3 years thanks to our sponsors. Our biggest sponsor to date, our equipment sponsor, SG Sports. SG Sports, big applause. There are a lot of cricket manufacturers, but SG, which is the largest manufacturer of cricket equipment in the world, they make some of the best brands, not just SG. You just buy bats because of stickers, but behind that bat is SG in some cases. So please support our sponsor, SG. Another big, definitely, we'll take the applause. SG is announcing a 10% off for any equipment purchases by youth in the US, okay? If we'll publish a coupon code for that shortly. And our biggest sponsor on the non-profit side is Ram Varadarajan and his New Inning Foundation. He's been a sponsor for 2 years straight. Thanks also to Bedesi Sporting Goods and of course Kranti of Dream Cricket for helping all of this happen, making all of this happen. Now, I just want to take 2 minutes of your time because obviously slowly but surely we're going to have bigger sponsors, as this, I'm proud to say, Priya, is the biggest tournament for cricket in the United States ever this year. Ever. On record. Okay? Never in the history of United States have 40 teams participate in 5 age categories. Not just in Minneapolis, anywhere in the country. Okay? So, that means we're going to have bigger sponsors. So on a lark, I wrote to Indra Nui, the CEO of Pepsi, ahead of this tournament, and she wrote a nice note. She did not send us a check, but I'm sure that will follow in the years to come. But here she wrote back. Personally, she took 5 minutes of her time to write this note, so I want you all to pay attention to this. Indra Nui is the CEO of Pepsi, one of the most powerful women in the world today. All right? More powerful than Priya, if you can believe that. So here's what she wrote. Back when I was growing up in Madras, India, in the 1960s, I was just like you, a youngster who simply loved to play cricket. My friends and I would find any spare patch of ground that we could just play for the pure joy of the game. While I don't play anymore, I still love watching the game. And I've realized over the years that there are so many lessons that you can learn from cricket. The first is teamwork. If you don't have each player on the team putting in their absolute best effort, working toward a common goal, then you can't win. The best cricket teams are those that are united by a common purpose, not just a collection of individual efforts. The second lesson is discipline. In many ways, cricket can be a game of inches. The way that the bowler spins the ball just right, or the angle at which the batsman strikes the ball, can make the difference between winning and losing. And the very best players have spent hours upon hours, like you guys, honing their skills and their craft, making sure they know exactly at what angle to spin the ball or swing the bat. And the third lesson is perseverance. One of the beautiful things about the game of cricket is that it's all about the long haul. You might know that some matches could last for days. And through the course of any given match, even if it's of a shorter format, some bad plays are going to happen. But it's teams that persevere and come back and push through the adversity who succeed. I hope you have a wonderful event and that you get as much out of this wonderful game as you possibly can. If you remember 2 years ago, I spoke about some big major corporate leaders in the US who play cricket, Add to that list Satya Nadella, CEO of Microsoft. He was a captain of a cricket team. And Sundar Pichai of Google, who was also a captain of a cricket team. Cricket matters. Cricket builds character. And through discipline and perseverance, you can become leaders. Thanks a lot, guys.
Thank you, Venu. I'll hand over to Charles so he can invite all of our guests.